was a lot of debate surrounding, when these children should go back to school. Certainly a lot of parents were really worried because, they need to go back to work as well. But as you mentioned, September 1st is the day that kids will be allowed back into the classroom with a number of new measures approved to really try and make sure these case numbers don't rise any more than we're seeing right now. So kids who are from red zones, red cities, they must be 70% or more vaccinated to be able to attend actual class. Otherwise, these classes will be conducted on Zoom. Now, another big decision made by this so-called coronavirus cabinet, David, is that these vaccine centres, these mobile vaccine inoculation centres, will be actually on the school campuses. So children with their parents' permission will be able to go and get their shot of their coronavirus shot at the school during the school day. So another thing to be brought in is that kids under the age of 12 must show a green passport to show that they've either got, a negative PCR test or an antibodies test to be able to go back into the classroom. So these are these three biggest points that will really try and keep these children safe with the school year beginning, as you mentioned, September 1st, David.
And now the vaccination campaign has been such a focus, certainly in this wave now with supplies in the country. I believe something around 1.4 million people already have come out for the third booster shot. What's the vaccine campaign look like? Still robust? A lot of people showing up. What are they saying at the center where you are?
Yeah, for sure. Well, we got here pretty early. We got here before 8 o'clock this morning, and there were already people waiting in the shopping centre, lining up out the door to come and get this third booster shot. We know that this shot has now been filtered down to anyone over the age of 40 is eligible to come and get this third booster jab, and that is expected to be brought down to younger age groups to really try and boost these antibodies within someone's immune system. We do know that having this third booster shot really gives people threefold protection. Because the Israeli authorities, these scientists looking at why this immunity is dropping, show that after 8 months or so, the antibodies in someone's system will rapidly decline. So this is really the fight. This is what they're trying to do to try and get across this Delta variant, which has been seeing a huge spread across the country in the last couple of weeks or so, David.